Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you're subscribed down below. So I have another wig review for you, and this time it is from Wowafrican.com. So I just want to show you what I got in my package that you can get on the website. I got an edge brush, a comb, HD wig cap, and some clips. So this wig that we'll be installing and reviewing today is their natural curly wig, and this is their S-cap wig, and I love that they have the adjustable drawstring. And this is what I mean by S-cap. So it fits around your ear for comfort, and if you wear glasses, this is the perfect wig for you. So we got this wig in 22 inches. It is a whopping 250% density, so that wig is thick. So I highly recommend you co-wash this wig, because when you co-wash it, the curls are stunning. So we're gonna go in with some bronzing powder just to darken our lace so that it can match our complexion to perfection. So this is what we're working with. We're gonna use some edge control to slick back them edges, child, because I won't be doing the ball cap method. I don't do the ball cap method. I just can't. Like, I like it simple, easy, lemon squeezy, and I'm gonna do that for y'all because I am sure y'all don't want like the 110 steps to put on a wig. Like, we need it to be beginner friendly. Even though we've been wearing wigs for years, we're still in beginner friendly. So I'm gonna use that same bronzing powder to put on the cap, and then we're gonna go ahead and put on our wig. Now this wig, like, soon as it went on, I'm looking at the scalp like, oh my god, that lace is beautiful. And this is what I mean when I say that I love that Wowafrican do that, you know, adjustable tightening drawstring in the back, because when they say glueless, I need it to really fit. Like, I don't need glue. A lot of times wigs say glueless and I end up needing some glue. This sat on my head. Like, we haven't done anything to the lace as yet, and look how flat it is. So I decided to do a slight plucking. This wig is already done for you, right? But I just needed it to be a little bit more thin in the front, so I did that extra stuff. But honestly, you don't need to do that. It was just a preference. Also, you ain't gotta do the soup to do, but y'all know, if you've been here for a minute, you know I like my little edges. Like, I can't help it. If you don't like it, that's fine. Guess what? You ain't gotta do it. So I use mousse to do that, and then I'm gonna use mousse on the lace itself because I want to wear it glueless, but I want it to look melted. So we put the mousse on the edges and on the lace itself, and then we're just going to tie that down for a bit so that it lays flat, and then we're gonna go in with our mousse. So remember, our hair is already wet, so it's not full on drenching wet. I just towel dry the hair, and then we go straight in with the mousse, and the curls are beautiful. It's so full, it's stunning. Like, look at that, it's so moisturized. Like, oh my god, the curls are juicy, and I am obsessed. When I was running my fingers through it, because can you see I am not using a brush, I'm not using a comb, I am using my fingers for this hair. It's super thick because, like I said, 250% density, and I'm using my fingers to comb through it. You know this is a quality curly hair, okay? So I'm just gonna slick back the hair just a bit, and then we're gonna go in with the diffuser. Like, it is so soft. All I did was use mousse. It's so soft. Use the diffuser just to dry it in place, and also to give us a little bit more volume, because even though it's wet, I don't want it to like dry flat. I want it to have that natural volume that it came with. Now that the hair is 80% dry, I'm gonna remove my band, and this is how the lace is looking. Like, flat, super transparent, like HD lace to the max. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that bronzing powder that I used earlier on my parting space, just to darken it a bit, since the wig cap underneath is a little bit lighter. And this is her. This is the hair. She is stunning. I am obsessed. Love curly hair. All the details for this wig will be in the description box down below for you guys. I give this wig a 10 out of 10. Lace check, texture check, fullness check. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.